Hey, awesome people! It's Nicole here with another exciting coding adventure on our channel. Today, we're going to do something super fun. Turning your webcam into a cool Python project using OpenCV and ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to play with computer vision or just make something awesome, stick around, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's jump right in. So, what's the plan? We'll teach your computer to see through your webcam using Python and OpenCV, with a little help from our robot buddy, ChatGPT. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you through every step. Step 1. Let's get our tools ready. Before we dive into coding magic, we need to invite OpenCV to our coding party. OpenCV is like the eyes for our project, allowing the computer to see and understand images from your webcam. Open your command line or terminal and type pip install OpenCV Python. This command installs OpenCV on your computer without any fuss. Step 2. Setting up your project space. Find a cozy corner in your computer and make a new folder. You can name it My Webcam Project or anything that makes you smile. This is where our project will live and grow. Step 3. Now, let's chat with ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and say, "Hello? Can you help me create a Python project that uses my webcam to display live video?" Remember, ChatGPT is like your super smart coding friend, always ready to help out. Step 4. With the help of ChatGPT, you'll get a simple code template to start your project. It's like a recipe for our coding dish. This code will help us connect to your webcam and show the live video on your screen. I'll walk you through the basics. Our script asks your computer to use its webcam and then display what it sees in a window. It's like making your computer into a mini movie director. Step 5. To help us better understand what's going on in the code, we can ask ChatGPT to add comments that explain each section. ChatGPT will give you a version of the template that has additional comments to guide you through the code. Step 6. Bringing it to life. Save your new code in a file named webcammagic.py in our project folder. Then, head back to your command line or terminal, navigate to your project folder, and type Python webcammagic.py. Hit Enter, and voila! You should see a new window popping up, showing you live video from your webcam. How cool is that? And just like that, you've turned your webcam into a live video project with Python, OpenCV, and a bit of ChatGPT magic. Experiment with the code. Try adding features like filters or motion detection. Ask ChatGPT to add more features to your template and see what you can create. The possibilities are endless. Loved this project? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more fun coding adventures. Got questions or cool ideas for our next project? Drop them in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and stay awesome. Bye.